Okay, we're on a 123 car here, but this is very similar to any 60s, 70s, 80s, even 90s grills. And this is a two-person job, just to avoid breaking things. Not necessarily with the removal, but with the installation. Now what has happened here is that the plastic hood pull somehow broke, and somebody went crazy and broke this out. So we're not only going to put on a good hood pull, but we're going to replace this grill insert. The chrome looks pretty good, so we're going to replace the insert. And for that, the easiest way is to remove the grill. So what you want to set yourself up with is an 8mm quarter drive socket on your drill, and a second person to just hold the grill as you remove it so it doesn't fall down and break something. Now I have this car up in the air because I'm doing a brake job. So I want this hood down where we can reach it a little easier, so I've hooked on a rope here. And I'm going to make it real accessible. So to remove the insert, I actually have a good grill here that I'm just going to use the whole assembly, but it has two damaged horizontals. So I'm going to use a couple of good horizontals from this customer's grill. To remove these horizontals, you do have to remove the insert. And the insert comes out with a screw here, and this has a screw on the clip, and a fastener here where the badge is mounted. Okay, these clips are actually below grade. To get them off, you need to lift the clip up and get a screwdriver right in there. Then you can tap the clip off of the grill. There you go. And it fortunately didn't go into orbit. Okay, so once I get the screw out the bottom, got the nut off of this hood badge, the grill badge, we now have the insert loose enough to pull out, and what it takes is sliding it underneath one end as we knock it the other way from the other end. So I've got the bottom out, and then you want to turn it cockeyed, and there's our insert that we're going to remove a couple of nice trims. And to do that, you want to first remove this vertical trim, and it's going to be quite a problem because it's dented. So the way to do that without damaging the grill insert, if you were working on a different grill, is simply cut it, because there's a tab here, here, and here. On this one, since it's a bad grill, it really doesn't matter. So we can just pry this center one off of here. And as you see, there's a plastic part here that actually holds that vertical on. And as you see, I broke this one, popping it off. This is how they're supposed to look. So now we can move off the horizontals. And this you want to be careful doing. You want to do it from the center outward, because this is pinched flat and there's no way you can pull it towards the center. So there's a decent one. And we need 2 more. And as you notice, the bottom ones are shorter. The upper ones are the same length. So we do need to use 2 of these upper ones for our good grill insert. This one is damaged in this one. So now we have some decent horizontals. And for a very nice car, I would buy a brand new set of horizontals and the one vertical. But this is just a daily driver, and there's no way I'm going to put this good grill on there without replacing these 2.